Hi, I'm Astalio, and last time I recorded how to play music by ear. Today I want to demonstrate how I do that. I got a song here, it's from Street Fighter. I know I used to play it when I was little, and I quite like the song. It's not too difficult, it's pretty simple, and yeah, it's only a couple of minutes, like 30 seconds long, so instead of boring you guys with trying to do a sonata by Beethoven or Mozart, I might as well just do something small and show you guys a general idea how to do it. So let me go on to, actually, let's listen to the song first. Okay, so that's all it is basically, just loops. So let's go back to 27 seconds. 27. I'll show you guys. Okay, first of all, let's try and get how the song works. So it's so that's the left hand. So you can start with instead of starting with the chords, which is playing, you can start with the left hand. So you try and find a note. So you got that. And we'll go back a bit. Okay, so we have the basic structure of the way it sounds. So it's now I know what note it kind of starts on, especially the high note of the lowest, like of the chords, is the high. I got the high notes ready. I could also start finding the bass if I really want to, but you're probably not going to play the bass. You can do if you want, but normally you just go play the chords because it feels like the sound a bit more. So let's see the bass. So it's really simple. So I have the bass. What's it? So let me see. Basically, I got it. Obviously, it takes a bit of time to figure out. So basically, I got the bass down. Now I know basically. So it's. So now the chords are basically D major 7. So I can show you this quickly on Symphosia. So it's basically like or you can play obviously how it's played there. It's actually quite hard to play because you have to have a stretch over an octave, which is quite difficult for a lot of people. Even for me, it's my fingers. That is the highest I can do. Some people can go here. Some people are lucky to go here. That's awesome. But me, I got quite small. Wow, my hands are not small. It's more to like mid-range. Okay. So we have the bass down. We have the chords basically. Now we can just do the right hand. which should be, so it's, I'm guessing it's gonna start on a B flat, because that's the chord we're using. And well, it's kind of like even though it's a D major 7, you know, that's and it's a minor key. You can tell it's a minor key because it's a bit more sad. If it's happy, like that's a happy sounding sound, kind of sound. That's kind of a sad sound. That's like a D minor. So you can always either going to start on a D or an F or a B flat. Don't ask me why, but it just is like that. So that's basically, let me see. So you got D major 7, so you can either start on a, not always, it's not, there's no real rules, but normally I figure that most songs, if they're played in that key, they're gonna start on a D or end on a D, an F, an A, or a C, and with B, so there's a D. So, you know, okay, so basically let's see, the sound of this is, I'm pretty quick on this stuff because I know the song festival. I have played it. Well, I've learned it before, like way in the past. So far, I just try and do it again. And I remember the melody from back in the day. So I guess the more you know a song, the easier it will come to you. That's why I recommend always learning songs that you know and you like, as opposed to songs that you don't like or don't know, because your body will automatically adjust quicker to songs that you like than to songs you don't like. Okay, so it's okay, that's not quite right. Let's go back a little bit. Okay, so if you basically let's see, so okay, so I think I basically got the idea of the sound. So it's yeah, so okay, so I have the melody, I have the left hand, so but basically all that's left now is putting it together. Of course, like just doing that when you don't really know the melody, you're not going to be able to coordinate the right and the left hand straight away. That's difficult. You need to get the right hand down and the left hand down, or one or the other. And then when you start putting them together, you can do it slowly, like, sorry. Oh, we're there. Am I getting it wrong? Oh, okay. Oh. See, even I make the mistakes because I haven't played it first of all for many years and I don't know it that well anymore. But so let me start again. So of course, generally you want to play it really slowly at the start, very slow. You know, get your brain get used to the whole ideas and coordination of your fingers. So and then after a while you'll realize when you've slept 1 or 2 nights, then you'll wake up and you'll be able to play it perfectly. But oh, how does that happen? There's something about the passing of time that helps you learn stuff. Your brain needs to go to sleep, figure out what's happened throughout the day, and then it gets you nice and ready for the next day. So that's what it really. That's why I learned songs. I'm gonna keep practicing this now. Maybe later I'll put a full demo up, even though it'll be a short demo because it's a short song. So yeah. Anyway, that's me, Alstalio. Subscribe to my channel if you like it. Give it a like, and I'll be back again with more tutorials.